evening, everyone. I'm Sanjeev.
Hi, I'm Akshata, and we are parents to Advay.
I think our experience has been wonderful from finding the school till like last 3 years. First of all, ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ಹೊಸ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗನಿಗೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್, ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ನ್ಯೂ where not to go, but we definitely wanted something very, very special for our kid because based on the learnings. What impressed us was especially the play area for the kids, right? ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬಂದು ಆಡ್ಬೋದು, ಸನ್ನಿ ಇದೆ, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಸನ್ನಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ದ ವೇ ಶಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ಡ್ their methodology, how they take care of the kids, how the kids' brain gets developed over the first few years, that shows the passion for the teacher about the kids. Just not school, but also hanging out treat ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. So that's been a wonderful experience, and we just completely trusted and ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ವಿ ನಾವು ಆವಾಗ. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಜರ್ನಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಯೂ ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಓಕೆ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ what we realized is first day was only the day when he cried. So after that, it's been like we never had to force him to go to school. So that tells a lot of things about the school, especially for kids. And the environment is very special for the kids, right? And every kid is a unique, as we all know, right? Every kid is special and every kid is a unique kid. So similarly, Advay is also like has a very, very different personality. So but the teachers were so accommodative to understand and show the personal care about, okay, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇವ್ನಿಗೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಈ ಥರ ನಾವು ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಪರ್ಸ್ನಲ್ ಕೇರ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ದ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್, ಜಯಮ್ಮ ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ Advay Subbu and showing that personal treatment every kid. So that's the very special and unique thing about the school, and thank you very much all the staff.
All I can say is thank you, Manthana team, for nurturing each and every child as they are, and bringing out whatever qualities they have rather than forcing them to something which they don't want to do. So it's I was looking for Montessori method schools because that is what my daughter also learned, and I believe a lot in Manthana Montessori as well as the Montessori teachings. It was very beautiful for our child, the way he has shaped till today, and the way he has been nurtured by all the teachers. But I would like to thank the supporting staff, Jayamma as well, and I 100% agree to what Sanjeev has mentioned. Teachers have been very accommodative from day one, and I remember my child crying and howling not to go to school for the first 1 or 2 days, I guess. But now it's like he's crying because he doesn't want to go to first standard. He wants to stay in Manthana only. So that's been our journey, and very proud, and would recommend Manthana to all the parents. Thank you so much.